In this video, I'm going to explain how to use cashback on Temu in 2025. So first of all, Temu itself actually doesn't allow cashback, however, it's still possible to get cashback, and you can do this by choosing a specific cashback platform. Now, there's several of these platforms out there that offer cashback for Temu purchases. For example, this is one of them I just pulled up over here. Let me just add it in. There we go. So it's called CASHBACK, and via here you can then get a cashback for shopping on Temu. Now, what you have to do is first, of course, create an account and log in to your cashback platform. So this can be ShopBack or anything else. And then once you've done that, you will have to go to Temu via the cashback platform. So visit the cashback platform and then from there go to Temu, and this will ensure that your purchase will actually get cashback. And then after that, you can just shop as usual. You'll be able to shop on Temu just like you would anytime. And then after that, after you've purchased something, you just simply have to await for cashback confirmation. So that's basically the only way to get cashback on Temu right now. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.